Hello and welcome. My name is Jeremiah, the Bullfrog Hale, and this is Tips and Tricks Tuesday with ProPricer. We'll cover useful tips and tricks in ProPricer that'll help you leverage your time better and get things priced. Welcome to part 1 of proposal views on this week's Tips and Tricks episode. We're going to go in depth and discuss the data view and task view, because knowing how the different proposal views work can help you save time and complete your tasks better. First thing up, data view. Why all the fuss about data view? Well, it's the newest addition to views in ProPricer. If you don't have it, I highly recommend looking at updating your ProPricer system to the latest version. It's free with a current maintenance contract, so why not? Okay, that was my inner support tech breaking out there. Now back to finding out what's the deal with the data view. Well, it's a pivot-based summary, but with a very unique twist. It can actually edit your estimates. Where is it? It's at the top of ProPricer here in the Proposals tab and Views dropdown. I'll click on Data View. You can quickly summarize your proposal. I'll sort by class by year. I'll change engineering hours here to 1,000 in 2019, like this. Bam! Try that on a spreadsheet. And that 1,000 hours was not simply peanut butter spread across 2019. The data view was smart about the update. Why is this important? Because it automatically includes linear polarization logic and matched up the new hours based on what was already estimated, or respecting the curve that was already used. Sounds complicated, right? It can be, but now the data view makes it simple. Next thing up, the task view. What does it do? I don't really like labels, but the task view is the king of views. It's the view you get when you double-click on your proposal. Now you know. It's important to remember what the task view is. It's not an understatement to say that without the task view, there wouldn't be much of a ProPricer to speak of. This is where you build the proposal, and things like basis of estimates, or as we abbreviate them, BOEs, and statements of work, or SOWs, start floating around, and the work breakdown structure becomes even more complicated. In this view, you assemble a whole proposal. Row by row, we call them tasks. They usually are ordered by WBS, and once each BOE has been added to the tabs of each row, your cost and pricing data is complete, but still in its raw form, and will need to be summarized. So using summary fields is going to be a big part of the task view. And they are these columns here. In a sense, they are hashtags for your estimates. Well, not everyone is familiar with hashtags. Better example of summary fields would be looking at them as a Google search for your proposal. You can search things like CLIN numbers or BOE estimators. As long as these items have been included in summary fields, you'll be able to search for them later. As a quick wrap up to this episode, the data view is awesome. That's the technical term. It was the latest functional update to ProPricer and is designed for negotiation and what-if analysis, not a BOE entry tool. That is what the task view is for. It has been the main proposal creation view and will be for many years to come. It is configured for easy importing from Excel or MS Project and handles the summarization that other views/reports, like the data view, use to do their part. Getting to know each view and how to use them will expand your ProPricer skill set, and combining these views together will make you a pricing machine. Be sure to tune in next week, as the resource view and travel view will be in the spotlight. If this was awesome, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Ding the notification bell to be informed about new episodes. If you have any questions about ProPricer we can help with, or maybe some tips and tricks of your own, follow the link or post a comment below. Again, my name is Jeremiah Hale, and as always, thanks for watching.